Third term, Unit 1 Geometry, Part 3. In today's session, we are going to learn about exercise 1.2.
Exercise 1.2. Here also we have 5 sums more. Just to have a glance, let us start explaining one by one. Exercise 1.2. First sum. The length of the side of each square is given below. Find its area. So from this sum onwards we are going to find the area. First one is 10 meters, isn't it? So start doing that. Answer. So side is equal to 10 meter. So draw one rough diagram of square and mark it as 10 meter in all those sides as usual. Then what will be the formula? Area equal to side into side, isn't it? So 10 meter into 10 meter, that's equal to 100 meter square. Clear? So it's very important, you must mention meter into meter, meter square. That's very important. So don't forget to put the unit square. So come to the second sum, 5 centimeter. Here also the same mark. Just to do as it is, draw one square shape and then mark it as 5 centimeter in all those sides. As usual, write the formula area equal to side into side. Then find the area 5 centimeter into 5 centimeter. So 25 centimeter square. Right? Easy, isn't it? Likewise, third sum 15 meters. So be careful on unit also, but procedure is same. Answer, third answer just mark it and draw one square shape and mark it as 15 meter in all those sides. Just draw the rough diagram, don't bother about exact measurement. After this, write the formula area equal to side into side. So 15 into 15. So also very easy, 225 centimeters square, sorry, meter square. It's very important. And then come to the last, 16 centimeter. Here centimeter so listen carefully. Fourth answer, draw one here side is 16 centimeter, isn't it? That is also you have to write. Draw one rough diagram of square with 16 centimeter in all those sides as usual. Then write down the formula A equal to 16. Find the area of the following rectangles. First one, length is 6 centimeter and breadth is 3 centimeter. So here we are going to find out for rectangles Draw one rectangle in a rough figure with length 6 centimeter up and down and for breadth 3 centimeter. Right? Okay. So what are all the given portion? Length equal to 6 centimeter and breadth equal to 3 centimeter. Then as usual, write down the formula area equal to length into breadth or side into side. Whatever maybe you can write. Okay. So side into side, it's easy way to remind that. But here they have given length and breadth. So you can mark it as length into breadth. No problem. Just A is equal to 6 centimeter into 3 centimeter. That's equal to 18 centimeter square. Yes, 6 3s are 18 and centimeter into centimeter square. So don't forget. Then come to the second sum. Here the length is 7 meter and breadth 4 meter. Right? So as usual, draw one rectangle shape and then mark it as 7 meter as the length up and down and breadth 4 meter left and right. What are all the given portion that you need to write So after answer you have to follow all those steps. So breadth 4 meter, then area equal to length into breadth or side into side. That's equal to 7 meter into 4 meter. So 7 4s are 28. So 28 meters. The sum. Here the length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is equal to 5 centimeter. As usual, draw one rough diagram of rectangle with length 8 centimeter, breadth 5 centimeter. just to opposite side. So what are all the given portion? That's also very important. Mark it this also. Fine. Then as usual write the formula, area equal to length into breadth. That's equal to 8 centimeter into 5 centimeter. 8 5s are 40. So 40 centimeter square. Fourth sum. This also the same. Do by yourself. Here length is 9 meter and breadth is 6 meter. So answers, draw one rough diagram. Mark it as it is. Then what are all the given portion? Yes, length and breadth, isn't it? That also you need to write ma, then only you can follow the step in an easy way. So area equal to length into breadth. So 9 meter into 6 meter, isn't it? So 9 6 are 54 meter. Sum, it's a word problem. If the cost of 1 square meter of a plot is rupees 800, then find the total cost of the plot, that is 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. So it's a plot, isn't it? You might have seen in the bypass road or in nearby area, isn't it? Okay. So this is the sum for us. So 15 meter long and 10 meter breadth. That means sure it's a rectangle shape. So just take it one and then mark it 15 meter up and down and 10 meter left and right as a breadth. Okay. So we need to find out area or perimeter. Good, area only. So start to our work. Length equal to 15 meter and breadth equal to 10 meter. Area equal to length into breadth or side into side. That's equal to 15 meter into 10 meter. So it's a 10, isn't it? So just join one 0, that's it. So 150 meter square. That also you know well. Fine. But one more task is here ma, that is 1 square meter of a plot is rupees 800. 1 square meter கொடுத்துட்டாங்க. That means like this. So this is 1 meter. Yes. The measurement of this square shape is 1 meter only. Okay. So this area rate is rupees 800. Fine. That means we need to find the remaining portion also. That is our task. Right? So this we have already done in the try this sum, isn't it? The same only, but here we need to find out that area also. Let us start to do. Cost of 1 square meter equal to rupees 800. That means cost of 150 meter square of a plot is equal to 150 into rupees 800. Fine. So here also 3 zeros are there. 150 1 0 and 800 2 zeros. So just join 3 0 with multiplication of 15 into 8. After that rupees 1,20,000 is the answer here ma. Just you do by yourself and then check the answers. Whether I have done correct or not, just check it once. Right? So cost of 150 square meter of a plot. Fourth sum, the side of a square is 6 centimeter. The length of the rectangle is 10 centimeter and its breadth is 4 centimeter. Find the perimeter and area of both the square and rectangle. Right. So here we need to do more task ma. So listen carefully. Just watch it carefully. Okay. So what are all asked here? Square and also rectangle. For that perimeter and also area. Okay. So square ko nama perimeter and area கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். For rectangle shape ko nama perimeter and area கண்டுபிடிக்கணும். So it's the task for us. So what are all given? Side the 6 centimeter for square and length 10 centimeter and breadth 4 centimeter for rectangle. So all the details are given. From that we are going to find out now. So start our work. Answer, draw one square shape and mark it 6 centimeter in all those sides. Then given portion, isn't it? So side equal to, so start with square. This is the first one. So square. So side is equal to 6 centimeter. After this, what to be found out? Perimeter, isn't it? So perimeter equal to 4 into side, because you can do here sum of all the sides. நீங்க எல்லா பக்கமும் add பண்ணாலும் you'll get the same answer only. Just we follow the formula 4 into side. That's equal to 4 into 6 centimeter. So 4 6 are 24. So 24 centimeter. If you add all this 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 also, you'll get the same answer only. Then second one, B part area equal to side into side. So that's equal to 6 into 6 centimeter. So answer will be 6 6 are 36. So 36 centimeter square. Right? While comparing these two, it's easy to finalize. So that only we have given perimeter equal to 4 into side and area equal to side into side. Right? Okay. Come to the second one. Now we need to find out for rectangle ma. So second one, rectangle. What are all portion given? Length equal to 10 centimeter and breadth equal to 4 centimeter. So draw as it is and mark it everything. After this, we need to find out the perimeter, A portion. So that's equal to 2 into length plus 2 into breadth. So just to be careful, that's equal to 2 into, what is the length? 10 centimeter, isn't it? Okay. Plus 2 into 4 centimeter. After multiplying, 2 tens are 20 centimeter and here 8 centimeter. Finally, we need to add these two, P equal to 28 centimeter. Here also, if we add all these four part, 10 plus 4 plus 10 plus 4, you will get the same 28 centimeter only. So no doubt. Okay. You select which you wish. Okay. Come to the B portion. Area equal to length into breadth. So that's equal to 10 into 4 centimeter. That's equal. Fifth sum. What will be the labor cost of laying the floor of an assembly hall which is 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth if the cost of laying is rupees 60 per square meter? So here what is given? It's laying the floor. It might be tiles or else it might be cement. Okay. So it doesn't matter. Just we need to find out the area only. Clear? So be careful on that. They didn't give us a perimeter or area. We need to find out from the clue. So try to read the questions carefully. Fine. So with a 14 meter long and 10 meter breadth, isn't it? So sure it's a what? Rectangle or square? Rectangle. Good. So let us start our work. Take one rectangle shape and mark it 14 meter up and down and 10 meter as a breadth. Fine. So for this we need to find the area. Length equal to 14 meter and breadth equal to 10 meter. So area equal to length into breadth. That's equal to 14 meter into 10 meter, as it is 140 meter square. Fine. So one more task also is there. So third sum we have done, isn't it? The same model, right? Here 1 square meter is equal to rupees 60 ma here. So mark it here, and this area, this 1 meter only. For this 1 square meter, they have fixed the rate rupees 60. Right. So let us start our work. Cost of 1 square meter for laying. Okay. That's equal to rupees 60. That means cost of 140 square meter, that's equal to 140 into rupees 60. Clear? Just to multiply as it is. Here also on 0, in 60 also on 0. So 2 0 must become. Then 14 into 6, 8,400 rupees. Is it clear now? Finally, we need to write out like this.